स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स चैप्टर में यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है, यूजिंग द गिवन पैटर्न फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर। यूजिंग द गिवन पैटर्न फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर्स। सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन 6 ऑफ chapter square and square root, that is 6.1, exercise 6.1. so here is given that 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal to 3 square. So what is the pattern? Try to understand. So dear, here you can see that this is 1 square and 2 square and 2 square, and it's give you 3 square. So what to do? How can, and next one is 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square, so it is 7 square, and this is 3 square 4 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. So how can you find the pattern? Dear, you can see this is first two number you observe, 1 into 2 it is 2, and the next one is, if you add in this result 1, then you will get the next. And here you can just see 2 into 3 that is 6, and 6 में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा 7. ओके, नाउ 3 into 4 means 12, so it is the 12, and now you will add here 1, then you will get the result 13. And in the same way 4 square plus 5 square, so what to do fill here, 4 into 5 you will multiply here, then you will get, that is 4 into 5, this is 20. So dear, you will fill here 20, that is 20 square, and after that if you add 1 in 20, then you will get 21. Now here 5 square, and this is fill it blank place, and now 30 square. So what you will get the result, you will divide this 30 by 5, then you will get the result. Means you will write here just like that, 30 divide by 5, you will get 6. So if you fill here 6, then you will get the result 6 square, 6 5s are 30, and if you add 1 in 30, then you will get 31. After that the last one, here 6 into 7, you can see that 6 square plus 7 square, so multiply this 6 and 7, you will get just like that. There, this is a 6 into 7, this is 42, so you will fill here 42 square. And now next number, if you add 1 in 42, then you will get 43. So in this place you will fill here 43, means the next number 42 plus 1, that is 43. So this is the answer of this question number 1. मीन्स आपने यहाँ पे क्या सीखा कि फर्स्ट 2 नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट नंबर मिलेगा, और नेक्स्ट नंबर में 1 ऐड करेंगे तो आपका ये रिजल्ट मिलेगा. तो ये था क्वेश्चन. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 की तरफ. यहाँ पे देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 दिया है. व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन 7? यस, विदाउट एडिंग फाइंड द सम. अब आपको ये ऐड नहीं करना है और इसका रिजल्ट बता देना है. सो व्हाट इज द मैजिक? हियर यू कैन सी दैट देयर आर हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स गिवन, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So you will write if here the square of 5, then you will get the final result. In the same way you can add also, you can check here, that is 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7, this is 16, and 9 25, and square of 5 is 25. So this is the correct. Now after that this you will count these digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So finally you will write that is 10 square. This is the answer. And last one question, that is here is digit 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you will write this is 12 square. So this is the final result of this question. Okay. express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So how can you express it? Yes, of course you can write easily odd numbers. You know that you will write here successively odd numbers as 49 equal to, this is the solution of part number first, that is 49 equal to, you can write as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, and you can see that here is total 7 prime numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after that you will write here 13. So the sum of these prime numbers will be just equal to 49. Okay, so we can express this 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers as you see just here. Now for part number second, here is the question, that is express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Yes, so you will write it as 121. This is just equal to, you will start from 1, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus after that 13. What is the odd number? Yes, 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus, and then after that 19 21. So you can count here total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. There are total 11 prime numbers. If we add these prime numbers, then we will get the total 121. So this is the solution of this question. We can express 49 and 21 as the sum of prime numbers, prime odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers, only odd numbers, not prime numbers, only odd numbers. Okay, so we are now moving for next question. Here is the question number 9, and the question number 9 is how many numbers lies between squares of the following numbers, that is 12 and 13. मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर हम 12 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो एक नंबर मिलेगा, दैट इज 12 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 144 and 13 square equal to, this is again 169. So how many numbers lies between 144 and 169? So dear, here is no need to count the number. You will find the total numbers between the square of these two numbers by a simple formula, and here is the method to find the square of numbers. If n square and n plus 1 स्क्वायर मीन्स कोई भी नंबर है और उसके आगे का नंबर है, देन टोटल नंबर्स lies between these two numbers. These two numbers h 2n. Okay dear, only 2n means you will put only the first number, that is 12 square and 13 square. So you will put only 12 here and you will get the total numbers of n square, it is the 12, and n plus 1 square, it means this is 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. So the value of n is 12. So you will put here the numbers equal to 2 into 12, that is 24. So there are 24 numbers lies between the square of 12 and square of 13, that is 144 and 169. In the same way you will find the answer of the question number second part, that is 25 and 26. So there are successively number 99 and 100. There are also a successively number, means after that 99 you will get 100, after 25 it is 26. So n is 25 and n plus 1 means 26. And here is for part number third, n is 99 and n plus 1 means 100. So you can find easily for the part number second. (25) and 26 numbers equal to 2 into n. N means 25. So this gives you 50. It means the square of 25 and square of 26, you will get the 50 numbers between these two numbers. Okay, and for part number third, how can you find? Yes, of course, for part number third is 99 and 100. So dear, here you can see that n is 99 and n plus 1 is 100. So you will find total numbers the square of 99 and 100 are 2n, that is 2n, and n is 99. So 2 into 99, that is you will get here 198. So finally this is the answer of the question, that is 198, and this is the answer for the part number second, that is 250, only 50, and this is the answer of the part number first, that is total numbers are 24.